Everyone says to scale your best performing ads. But what if the creative you're scaling is quietly burning your budget and dragging down your ROI? App installs might be up, CPI might look great, but if those users churn fast, you're fueling a leaky funnel instead of driving growth. Hey, I'm Zoe from AppsFlyer, and in this video, I'm breaking down 5 creative strategies top UA teams use to turn ads into high LTV app users, not just cheap installs. Let's jump in. Everyone knows you need good creatives to scale, but here's what the top teams understand. One breakout creative can outperform others by 10 times, 100 times, even 1,000 times. Winning creatives aren't just a little bit better. They change the entire campaign. The trick is, you have to find them early and double down fast. That's why high-performing teams don't just test 1 or 2 variations. They build creative pipelines, generate dozens of variations, and systematically hunt for those outliers before they fatigue. Speaking of fatigue, creative fatigue isn't a maybe. It is guaranteed. Even your top creative, the one attracting most of your budget today, will eventually wear out. The top teams don't wait for performance to tank. They watch early indicators like click-through rate drops, IPM dips, and engagement fall-offs, and refresh before fatigue kills momentum. And they don't just swap colors or tweak CTAs. They introduce new emotional hooks, new story arcs, and even new user motivations behind their ads. The goal isn't simply more creatives. It's smarter, fresher creatives at the right time. And speaking of getting smarter, you can't win creative wars by keeping things at a surface-level design. You need to go deeper. The top-performing ads today tap into emotional motivators, things like instant gratification, mystery, excitement, community and belonging, success, even failure. Take casual gaming. Creatives showing pure failure gameplay actually outperform success outcomes on social platforms. And in finance apps, instant gratification hooks like watch your savings grow instantly lead to higher day 7 retention. It's not just what you say, it's how you make people feel and act. And if you're not intentionally testing emotional triggers in your creatives, you're missing the real levers for growth. But how do you scale that kind of creative testing? That's where AI steps in. Today, AI tools aren't just helping you crank out more variations. They're helping you decode what actually drives performance. AppsFlyer's creative optimization solution, for example, can break down videos into layers and elements, spotting which hooks, tones, scenes, or emotional moments attract more budgets, drive more installs, and deliver better retention. Real example? Dave, the financial app, used AppsFlyer's creative insights to double their ROI from creatives and boosted day 7 retention by 15%. The best UA teams are no longer just guessing what works. They're combining AI insights and human creativity to build winners faster and refresh smarter. And if you really want to scale, you need one final move. One creative won't win everywhere. What performs on YouTube long-form might flop on TikTok short-form. What works in ad networks might not work on social media. For example, AppsFlyer's 2025 report showed that failure to success narratives crush it in casual gaming on social platforms. But on ad networks, it's pure success outcomes that drive the best IPM. Smart teams design for the channel. They tailor hooks, tones, and narratives specifically for the media environment. They don't just repurpose, they reimagine. Because in 2025 and beyond, winning is about precision, getting the right story to the right user in the right format. At the end of the day, ad creatives aren't just about looking good or feeling right. It's your biggest growth lever if you use it right. Creative winners don't happen by accident. You have to test relentlessly, spot emotional triggers, refresh before fatigue hits, and tailor every creative to the platform you're running on. And you can't just trust your gut anymore. You need real data and real creative intelligence if you want to stay ahead. So, what's one thing you're already doing today? And what's the next move you're testing? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you want to dive even deeper, check the full AppsFlyer State of Creative Optimization report. The link's waiting for you in the description. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.